What is up, guys? It's Tom from Tech Time and I'm back with another video. Today I got a great video for you guys. My top 3 favorite features of the Samsung Galaxy S9. But it's not just gonna be me giving you my opinion. I also have another great YouTuber collabing on this video, and it's Reggie U. He does great cinematic video reviews and vlogs. Definitely gonna wanna check him out, so stay tuned for a great video. So let's get into our top 3 favorite features on the Samsung Galaxy S9. My first favorite feature on the Samsung Galaxy S9 is the dual aperture rear camera. It's a 12 megapixel shooter with a dual aperture. This is the first of its kind on any smartphone. You have f1.5 up to f2.4. And at f1.5, that allows you to shoot unbelievable, crisp, low light photos and videos. With little to no noise or grain, the camera on this phone is an unbelievable contender with any smartphone out there. You put this in your hand and this is one of the best point and shoot cameras on the market. But you can also take it into pro mode and use that apertures to your advantage and manually adjust it from f1.5 to f2.4. Other than that, the camera automatically detects on when it's gonna use f1.5 because it shoots it in lower light. So after it gets below a certain amount of brightness in the room, it adjusts to that and the variable aperture opens up and you get f1.5. So that's why this camera really is incredible, because it has that type of detection to be able to adjust to brightness levels and give you an f2.4 when you don't need so much light in there, and then f1.5 when you want to draw in all that light and you're in a low light situation and you want to be able to pump out the most brightness without having to boost up so much ISO and get a lot of grain and noise. So that's why this is my #1 feature on the Samsung Galaxy S9. My second favorite feature on the Samsung Galaxy is Bixby. Now this may come to a huge surprise to most of you, but I enjoy Bixby. It's actually one of my favorite personal assistants on a smartphone that I've ever used. Now, does it have its limitations? Yes. I use Google Assistant for a lot of web-based things. If I want to know a question or I want to find a movie or things like that, I use Google. Google has an unbelievable database for web-based things. But for internals in my phone, Bixby is the #1 assistant that I've ever used for doing things internally. Sending a text, it does it perfectly. If I wanted to open my phone and take a selfie, it will do that. If I wanted to open my phone and set a timer on my camera and then take a picture, it will do that. And you can also set custom commands to do anything you want. For me, I'll say good night as my custom command, and then from there it will shut off my Bluetooth, set my alarm for the morning, and read out any events that I have the next day. To me, that is great customization, and no other assistant can really do that. In the morning time, I have a custom command that says good morning, and then when I do that, it allows me to get all the information that I have set into that. So when I say good morning, it turns my Wi-Fi off, it checks my traffic to work, it also gives me the local weather, and that is enough to get me going in my day, one stop. Just all I have to say is good morning and it's good to go. There are so many things you can do with Bixby. Don't knock it until you try it. Definitely give Bixby a go. My third favorite feature on the Samsung Galaxy S9 is Intelligent Scan. Intelligent Scan is one of the top biometric security facial unlock combinations out right now. What it uses is facial unlock in bright sunlight, and then if you're in low light, it will revert back to the iris scanner. So it's a combination of the two, and whatever it feels that it's the most needed, that's what it will revert back to. And it works great. In bright sunlight, when I'm at work, I can normally have problems unlocking my face with other phones. With this phone right here, I have no issue doing it. It locks it so quickly and it works great. I had issues with other phones like the Samsung Galaxy S8 and also the Note 8, but not with this one right here. With the Samsung Galaxy S9, the intelligent scan works great. In almost complete darkness, laying in bed, when it reverts back to the iris scanner, it kicks on automatically, and boom, it registers my iris in almost complete darkness, and it unlocks my phone. So that's why I love Intelligent Scan. It pairs both the facial unlock and the iris scanner to create a 1-2 punch and really knock it out of the park. This is one of the best facial unlock systems that you're gonna get, and it combines both biometrics to make it one conjoined system and really work out well. So that is my final favorite feature on the Samsung Galaxy S9. So let's get it over to Reggie U and see what he thinks his top 3 favorite features are.
What is up, guys? Reggie U here, and a big shout out to Tom from Tech Time for having me on. My top 3 features for the Galaxy S9 are Dolby Atmos. By far one of the biggest upgrades on the Galaxy S9 is the addition of dual speakers, and turning on Dolby Atmos really makes the audio super full and is a great listening experience. Check out the difference here.
If you want to have a lot of background blur, then you want to have your aperture as wide as possible, as wide as your lens can go. Really wide ones are like f1.8 or f1.4, and then you'll get a lot of background blur, bokeh. And if you don't want that much, then you just crank up your aperture, and then it'll narrow the opening in your lens, giving you more of a clearer background. So this is where you can kind of get creative and figure out how much background blur you want. So again, the narrower your aperture.
Number 2 is Apps Edge. Apps Edge is a cool way to put apps or shortcuts at the edge of your screen. It's accessible from any app, and you can add a lot of different stuff like favorite contacts, device maintenance, smart select, where you can take crop screenshots or GIFs of your screen. It's a really cool feature. And last but not least is Samsung Pay. If your bank supports Samsung Pay, this is by far the most convenient way to pay, as it works on all machines that have a card swipe. Basically anywhere that has like a card swipe machine, you can use it, and it just works. Pretty cool. Alright guys, that's it for me. If you want to see more videos on smartphones, cameras, tutorials, and vlogs, check me out at youtube.com/ReggieU. So I'll turn it back over to Tom.
Thanks a lot, Reggie, for hopping on this collab, and make sure all of you go check out Reggie U at his channel. I'll leave the link down below because he is dropping that fire when it comes to production value, and he should have that Sony A3 dropping on his channel real soon. So if you're into any type of cameras, vlogging, reviews of smartphones, tech products, things like that, go check Reggie U out. He's a jack of all trades and is a beast. Once again, thank you for hopping on the collab. Hope all of you guys enjoyed this video with us. Stay tuned for more things like this, more tips and tricks for the Samsung Galaxy S9, features, smartphone reviews, and much, much more. The channel is about to take off, so I hope you guys really do enjoy it. Hit that thumbs up, share that video with your friends, family, and anyone you think that will enjoy it. And anyways, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.